What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. Hope you're having a great day today. Have you ever wondered how well Steam PC games actually perform on Android in 2026? Well, today we're going to test the Steam version of games using the Gamehub emulator. And the phone right here, you've all seen it in my videos, is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. And this phone comes with 16 GB of DDR5X RAM, so these are the main specs. Now let's quickly jump to the main part. The setup process is the same as usual, so here I've already added some titles. To play Steam games, you just need to sign in with your Steam account. Once you're in, you'll see this dashboard. Here it shows your total number of games in your library, playtime, and more. And you can install Steam games on Android from here itself like you do on PC. And here, you can manage your Steam games in this section. It shows your installed games on the storage. Now in this video, I'm going to test Pragmata on this phone. Well, this is the demo version, but it's still a demanding DirectX 12 title. The game is not well optimized on PCs yet, as it's a new game. So, let's see how well this holds up on this device. So anyway, let's go to PC game settings. Here, set the game resolution to 720p or above, and this is the minimum. Now go to compatibility, as usual. So here in GPU driver, set it to Turnip 26.1B10 driver. Here, set DXVK version to 2.6 async, and VKD3D to Proton 2.14.1 version. And that's it. Now go to Steam. Here, make sure to enable auto-sync cloud saves. You can also enable offline mode if you want for some titles. So yeah, these are the main recommended settings. Wait a second, let me connect my game controller. Alright, and it's also recommended to use the controller to avoid input delay issues with on-screen controls. Now let's load the game. Also, I'm going to test this game in different resolutions and settings, so do follow the timestamps in the description. Device specs are also mentioned below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe for more. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the test.
Hey, Diana! Little help here! Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Yeah! You go. Diana, I need your hack in here. On it. Nope. Four of them. Don't look now, but we got company. Get off. How you like this? So where to?
I don't know. Try scanning.
Hey, Diana! Little help here! Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Glad that's over with.
Me too.
So what were you working on there? How you like this? What's that say? Locked.
I can open it.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled. To restore full functionality, please reboot the main power terminal on the top floor.
There we go. First one down. Little help here. Look out! What are you doing? Get bombed.
Look, look.
Now it's my turn. Glad that's over with.
Me too.
Hey, Diana! Little help here. Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Yeah! More of them? Don't look now. We got company. Hey, Diana! Little help here. Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Yeah!